Now, I haven't posted in a really long time. I'm sorry about that, but that's because I've been really busy and I've kind of just taken a break from YouTube. But I'm back and I'll be posting more. So, yeah, do you want to explain what we're doing?
So today we're going to be doing the 1 minute slime challenge. We have our timer, but there's kind of a twist.
So it's not just a regular 1 minute slime challenge. We're going to be doing it where we pick our ingredients from this little basket. We have glitters to pick from, and we have these foam beads in all different colors to pick from. So I want to get personally like the rainbow ones or just the color I like. I don't really want to get like these. Oh, and we also have glitters to choose from. So we have 4 glitters to choose from. I want the purple one because I don't have any purple slimes.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I think we'll be doing actually 1 minute and 30 seconds because we want these slimes to turn out good.
Yeah, we have our containers.
So they're going to be clear with clear glue. Oh, we have this gallon. But they're not going to be like clear because the glitter, it's so fine that it's just like dust and it adds a bit of color.
Yeah.
Also, we have these tiny containers. They're like 2 ounces. And we're just using tiny containers because it's 2 minute and they're the same size. So I'm going to put on a timer and we'll be back with you guys. Okay, so we're going to pick the foam beads. Do you want to pick first, Claire?
I'm nervous.
I'll mix it up. Close your eyes. What do you want to get? Multicolor, white, and then all the colors.
Maybe like pink or white or something. I don't really know.
Okay. Okay, you can mix it up with your hand too, but pick one. White. Oh, white looks good in colored slime, so.
Yeah, so I got white.
White's actually pretty good though. In here. Mix that for me.
What color do you want to get?
Multicolored or maybe purple?
Alright, put your hand in.
Oh, I got orange. Orange isn't a bad color, but I don't know. It's like okay. But we're gonna start with some glue in our dishes things already, so we don't make a mess.
Spill, yeah.
And we want them to be the same size, so I'll pour it in.
Yeah. Alright, we'll be right back.
Okay, next we're gonna be picking our glitter. We already have our glue in our thing, so
Can you mix them up?
we're gonna actually be doing the 1 minute challenge because we already put our glue in our things, and then we gotta get the forks. Let's see the forks. Okay, we're about to start. Let's first get the glitters. Oh, where's the purple glitter? Here. Okay, Ty, come over here. Purple.
Purple!
Okay, do it for me.
So I got white and purple. And just gonna mix
You're gonna have
them.
such a pretty one.
See, if you get orange though, then that'll be good.
Guess. I don't want like blue. I want pink. Pink would be good. This is light pink. I think this one's pink. Oh, I got blue. Blue and orange. I mean, I guess it'll be fine. It'll be fine, right?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay, we're gonna start. So let's do a minute timer actually.
Yeah.
I gotta get it. I kind of
Really, it's off the charger.
It's okay. Okay. 1 minute.
Oh, it's a big glare.
Okay, we have 1 minute. We're gonna press start in a second. Gotta be ready. Please don't make a mess.
I'm not.
Oh wait, where's the detergent? We need to be ready. Where's the detergent? Just kidding. We're not gonna start right now. We need to find the detergent. Hey guys, we got the detergent. I left it in the kitchen. I'm a smart one.
Yep.
We're gonna pour it in here. Wait, actually, I think we should do that during it. It's scary. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start the timer. Oh, can you go close the door? Yep. We don't want it to be loud because I have people over. So. Okay. Timer ends. Oop. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
I'm nervous.
I feel like we should do 1 minute 30 seconds. I want this to turn out good.
No, it's okay. Because we don't have to mix it. We can mix it off camera. We just need to get all our stuff in and slightly mix it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. Okay, we're going. I'm gonna get my detergent ready. I'm doing glitter afterwards. Okay. Ooh, oh my god, you're right. Mix. could do some more than that. Don't worry. There's
won't
time.
close.
Oh my god, we're halfway. Claire, we're already halfway. Oh my god, no. My slime's actually coming together. This looks nice.
This won't close.
Oh, I need glitter. It's okay.
Some.
Glitter. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Come on, foam beads, foam beads. We don't have time. Oh my god. We made a mess.
Yeah.
When this clears up, you'll see the glitter a lot better. Has it gone off? It's gone off. I don't know if it's gone off.
No, it hasn't. There's like 2 seconds left.
Oh,
Oh no.
no.
Okay. I'm just gonna seal
Okay.
this. I'm gonna
Let's
clean
just-
up. We'll be right
Wait,
back.
we'll show you guys our mess. This is what we see from our point of view. The camera was right there. But this is mine. I spilled a bunch of glitter. I got foam beads everywhere.
Yeah, but my bag was full, so right when I took my hand, it
God.
started to
Glitter.
overflow. Lily!
My glitter wouldn't close. Okay. Claire, your slime's pretty nice.
I just need to mix it alone.
Yeah, we need to mix it, but we activated it and stuff pretty good, right? We're gonna mix it a bit more, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. So the little rule we have is we can't add any more like detergent or anything. We can't add any more things, but we can still mix it. And mine is like at that globby stage, but I think it'll be fine if I just mix it a lot.
I think I may have overactivated mine.
No, yours is good. You just need to keep mixing.
Okay.
Mine's really sticky, but I think it'll come together. But my slime doesn't look the best. It just like has orange spots, and you can't really see the blue because
It's kind of cool though. It looks like it's glow in the dark blue.
well, the blue it's like very faded. You probably can't tell. But,
It's like kind of tinted like bluish greenish.
but
Yeah, you
since there are a
can't
bunch
tell.
of bubbles, overnight the bubbles will probably be gone. So once the bubbles go away, you'll see the blue more. Yours, you got much better colors, like purple and white.
Yeah, I was like, I'm never really lucky with these things, but today I was like, actually, you're usually the lucky one, and I'm usually the unlucky one. And
Oh,
today
I want to add more. I want to add more detergent. Okay, so guys, this is my final slime. It doesn't look the best, but I'm just gonna add detergent because like I want this to be good, you know. So I'm just gonna add some, but
this like only.
I kind of failed the challenge, so yeah. 'Cause I added more.
I kind of feel it, but kind of didn't.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty hard though. But
I
these
guess I have
slime
to use my
containers-
hands.
These slime containers are so cute. So my dad has this like, he buys these boxes that have food in them, and they come in this little container. That's why it says diced tomatoes, if you can tell. But yeah, my mom just gives me the containers, and then yeah. Oh, also the heater just went off, so that's probably why it got a lot quieter. If you're wondering. Oh my god, mine's sticky. Guys, I'm such a cheater, but it's okay. We want this to be good. You saw my final product, so it wasn't the best.
Yeah, but I guess you did kind of fail the challenge. Did I fail the challenge?
Is yours fine?
I did it.
Let's keep mixing it, and it'll be better. Okay, we'll be back with you with our like finished slime. So this is my slime about 2 minutes later. It's nice. It's really tiny. Hand looks big, but it's actually just like really small. And it is pretty sticky. It's easier to play with it with 2 hands here. But it's really nice. I like it. It makes really good crunching sound. And it's like kind of sticky, but like it's nice. So yeah, put it back in the container. Oh, okay. Now I'll show you guys Claire's slime. Claire's filming right now, but it has really nice like noises, and it's a pretty color. It's a lot brighter on camera, off camera, but yeah, it's nice. So I think they both turned out good. Just some more mixing, and yeah, that is the final slimes. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe and watch our videos when they come out next. Bye.
Peace.